was now continue. We have 4 more units sent to Nigeria, and finally we got the port notice, delivery notice. Why I say finally? It's because the shipping is getting less and less punctual. Sorry for that. And now is a water truck. Water truck go on to the trailer. Now this water truck and the tractor belong to 2 different customers. This is the 25 cubic meter, 25,000 liter water truck sprinkler. Okay, now all settled. Now this tractor and the water truck go to port. So today is number 3 and number 4. Today total 4 units go to port. Yeah, boss, sorry I missed the chance to take the video of this tractor, and this is for you, the tractor. And now we are loading this 8x4 tipper. NX 8x4 NX remanufactured quality lemon yellow, very nice color.